Hello, this is Emilia Online Maths. In our last video, we introduced arithmetic progression and geometric progression. We solved some of the questions on the nth term of arithmetic progression. So this is the continuation of the last video that we made. In this second question, this one is geometric progression. The first one that we solve is arithmetic progression. Given that, open bracket, 7 minus 2x, close bracket 9, and 5x plus 17 are consecutive terms of a GP. GP, geometric progression, in its short form, with common ratio is r greater than 0. Find the value of x. Okay, so consecutive terms, meaning that 7 minus 2x and what? 9 and 5x plus 17 are sequence or terms in what? GP. These are the terms in GP, okay? So this one is the first term, this one is the second term, this one is the third term, okay? I'm going to apply one of the properties of GP. One of the properties of GP. Recall that to find the common ratio in GP is T2 over T1 is equal to what? T3 over T2, and so on and so forth. So when you look at this case now, this one is our T1, this one is our T2, and this one is our T3, okay? So in that case, what I have is what? So 9 over 7 minus 2x is equal to what? 5x plus 17 over 9. 5x plus 17 over 9. So what do? Because we are asked to find the value of x, I am going to cross multiply. So it's a straightforward question, okay? I am going to cross multiply. Okay? Now, when I cross multiply, I have that what? 7 minus 2x is multiplying 5x plus 17 all equal to 9 times 9. Okay, let me write this boldly here. I have bracket 7 minus 2x is multiplying 5x plus 17 all equal to 9 times 9. Okay, so I'm going to open this bracket, okay? So when I do, what do I have? 7 into this will give us 35x. 7 into 17 will give us what? 7 into 17 will give us 119, okay? Now minus 2x times this will give us minus 10x squared. Minus 2x times 17 will give us what? Minus 34. Minus 34 all equal to what? 81. Okay, if you look at this equation now, it's taking us to quadratic equation. It's leading us to quadratic equation, okay? So to simplify this, I have that what? I have 119 minus 81 minus 34 is equal to what? 10x squared minus 35x is equal to 10x squared minus 35x. Okay? Now let's 119 minus 81 and minus 34 will give us 4. All equal to 10x squared minus 35x. Okay, so we are going to arrange it in quadratic form. Okay, so we have that therefore 10x squared minus 35x minus 4 is all equal to 0. 10x squared minus 35 minus 4 is equal to 0. We can use formula so that you can beat the time, okay? You can check whether it can be factorized or use formula. So let's apply the formula, okay? Formula method. That x is equal to minus b plus minus what? Root what? B squared minus 4ac all over 2a, okay? That's the easiest way to get the value of x, especially since it cannot be factorized, or whether it can be factorized or not, just use formula method to save your time. Okay, I have that x is equal to 10 becomes our a. Let's sort out our a is equal to 10, our b is equal to minus 35, and our c is equal to what? Minus 4. These are the things that we are going to do what? Okay, so we now have that x is equal to minus bracket minus 35 close bracket plus or minus root what? 35. I'm not going to bring in the minus inside the word root, okay? But we know that it's minus. So minus 35 times minus 35 will give us what? 1225. Okay. So I have that what? X is equal to what? Minus into minus to give us plus. 35 plus or minus what? Root 1225. So minus 4 times 10 will give us minus 40 times minus 4 will give us plus 160 all over 2 times 10 is what? 20. Okay. So now let's see that 35 plus or minus root what? Let's add up this. 1385 all over 20. Okay. What is the square root of 1385? 37.21. So all equal to 35 plus or minus root what? Okay, we have found the square root. Plus or minus 37.25 all over 37.21 all over what? All over 20. Okay, so let's add up. 35 plus 37 will give us what? 62. So I have 62.21 72.21 over 20, and that will give us what? Which is 3.61. So the value of our x is equal to 3.61, or that 35 minus 37.21 all over 20 will give us what? Minus 2.21 over 20, and that will give us what? Minus 0.11. So we are taking the positive answer, and the value of our x is what? 3.61 in 2 decimal places, but approximately it will give us what? 4. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in our next channel. Okay, in our next video. Bye bye. Hello, you're welcome to Emilia Online Mathematics. Okay, in our last video we introduced sequence and series, and some of the problems in arithmetic progression were solved. We are continuing from where we stopped the last time. Okay, in this video we are going to